Alright guys, I just got here to Delicious Tuning. I'm filling out the paperwork now to get the tune. So yeah, they're just gonna take a look. There is a difference between the 2022 early 23 models and the late 23 models. It's a module for the harness for the flex fuel kit. So if you guys are thinking about throwing on a flex fuel kit or you're buying it online, I think there should be a couple of videos on that as well. So just see which one you're running, and then you gotta have the right adapter for that as well. But I just filled out the paperwork. The car is sitting here. That is their shop car, a little blue BRZ. I love that blue. I actually wanted that blue so badly. So I just checked in with them. They have the information of the car, what mods I have. They need to know the VIN and just kind of basic information and just what exactly you're gonna be tuning, just so that they have a better idea. They're gonna let the car go back. I'm gonna give it to them. Just gonna let it cool off. They're gonna set it up on the dyno. I'm gonna go grab something to eat really quick. It's gonna take, you know, a couple of hours or so, and then I'll get some tuning footage, and yeah, we should be good to go. All right, the car's dropped off, and it's time to get some food. Dude, this is so good. I'm staring at the camera because there's a bee literally right here. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. There it is. Beach Plum Kitchen in Carlsbad. So if you guys are out here to Delicious and get tuned, definitely come check out this place. So really quick guys, I wanted to show you the flex fuel kit that is on my car already, but kind of spread out so you guys can see what it comes with. You got the adapter, the module, and just everything that you need, and it looks so clean in the engine bay. It looks as if it just came from factory like that. They're always looking at the quality, fitment, and look at this, they even have new lines from the first year, a little bit more of a protection, rubber kind of housing insulation. So my car is on the dyno and it's ready to go. So yeah, we'll check in with Delicious and let's get some shots and make some power. All right, I stepped away for a second because he's doing the polls right now. So right now he's just getting a baseline map, kind of seeing where the car is on just 91 pump gas. And then from there, we're gonna go into the E85 and then we'll really get to see the numbers pumping out. I'm hoping to get somewhat similar to what Formula S has. They do have a little bit more like engine components and other stuff going in their car, but I'm gonna see if I can get you some clips, and if it doesn't, the microphone doesn't get blown out because this titanium exhaust is super loud, but it sounds so good. Oh, it's a transfer jug?
It's a transfer jug, yes.
Not for keeping and holding it.
No.
That's why you have that one.
It just makes it easier to fuel in.
So we're putting in the E85 finally, and yeah, can't wait to see. The baseline looks pretty good, I think, for what it is. I think
we're up about 10 horsepower over your baseline.
Oh wow, just off of the pump gas.
Yeah.
Sweet. So then the E85 is hopefully gonna bump us out.
I'm thinking 235.
235?
That's what I'm expecting.
235. Yeah. And that's until we get boost. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, we're gonna do some polls and then we'll just get some shots for you guys and we'll come back with some final numbers. You know, if you ever feel like you want to get tuned in the future, whether it's by Delicious Tuning, it takes a little bit of time to get things done. Dyno tuning, you know, you get to do it in person on the day of, but it does take time in between runs because you need the car to cool down to the optimal temps. to get the best results, you don't want to tune the car while it's super hot. And the same goes for e-tuning. You know, you got a data log 3 times, send it into your tuner. The tuner then kind of makes a revision map, sends it back to you, then you put it back on your car, then you go and do more logs and it's back and forth. So both do take time, and that's just kind of the expectations you got to have if you want to go this route. But it sounds like he's ready to do another pass, so let's go check it out. This man just does not stop working. We're having problems with the exhaust flow. The 3-inch exhaust was a little bit too big, so the flow of it got a little bit turbulent as it was exiting from the headers and the front pipe. So, you know, if you guys ever wanted to tune or get dyno tuned, or you're setting up your exhaust, just know that the flow of the exhaust is very important, especially on NA. If I was boosted, the 3-inch exhaust would probably give me a little bit more bump and power, but I think a sweet spot would be about a 2.5-inch to 2 3/4-inch piping. And that's what Bill was saying, and I feel like a lot of other people would say that as well. So I make this mistake so that you guys don't have to, but this man is just throwing down on the tune. We were stuck around 229, I think, and he bumped it up to a 231, 232, and I think it's sitting at like a 233 right now. The only thing is that it's cutting power somewhere in the top end, so it might be an Mtec glitch because it is still in beta. So he's gonna try and throw on a different ROM to see if that'll fix it, because if you look at the dyno sheet, see one of the tunes goes all the way to the end, but then the other ones kind of drop right before that. Either way, Bill, Delicious Tuning, these guys are amazing. I'm getting kind of tired, the battery's running out, I don't have any extra ones, so I'm gonna sign off here. If there's any updates, you guys can just follow me on Instagram, and I'll probably post some pictures and post the final results there. But I appreciate you guys for coming along on this journey. We finally got E85 tuned. We're on the Flex Fuel kit. Thank you to Delicious. They provided that kit for me as well to get tuned on the E85 and to just try out one of their tunes. So if you guys are in the area, or even if you're across the world, these guys can do remote tuning or dyno tuning in-house. They do it here. I highly, highly recommend it to open up the car and to really experience how the car is supposed to be. I'm excited to see how it's gonna feel. Sorry I won't get any driving clips. It's been a long day just tuning it, dialing it in, but I'm excited to take it to the track and hopefully get the sub 2. So remember guys, speed isn't the goal, it's the result of doing everything right. See ya!